today's Financial Market Digest by Forex Hub International. We'll cover the latest movements across the financial markets. The Dow Jones Industrial Average closed at a record high as a subdued inflation report sparked optimism for potential Federal Reserve rate cuts. This sentiment also fueled gains in small-cap stocks, allowing Wall Street's three main indexes to post weekly gains. However, the Nasdaq, a technology-heavy index, slipped slightly due to a 2.17% drop in Nvidia's shares, while the S&P 500 edged marginally lower. Despite these minor declines, both indexes remain close to recent record highs. Europe's STOXX 600 closed at a record high on Friday, buoyed by stocks with exposure to China. Beijing's latest stimulus measures provided a significant boost, particularly benefiting luxury brands, which were among the top gainers. British equities also ended the week on a positive note as easing U.S. inflation supported market optimism. However, the FTSE 100 lagged behind the broader European benchmark STOXX 600, which rose over 2% for the week. Japan's Nikkei surged by more than 2% on Friday, driven by a weakening yen and anticipation surrounding the ruling Liberal Democratic Party's leadership race. Chinese and Hong Kong stocks posted their largest weekly gains since 2008 and 1998, respectively, following the introduction of a robust stimulus package by Beijing ahead of the Golden Week holidays. Australian shares saw slight gains, supported by a rally in mining stocks. The U.S. dollar weakened on Friday after a U.S. inflation report suggested that price pressures are continuing to ease. The dollar index, which measures the greenback against a basket of currencies, including the yen and euro, declined by 0.17%. Meanwhile, China's yuan hovered near a 16-month high despite a slight drop, thanks to Beijing's aggressive stimulus actions. The Australian and New Zealand dollars also saw gains, bolstered by hopes for further Chinese stimulus, which supported riskier assets and commodities. Gold prices are heading toward their best quarterly performance in over 8 years, reaching new highs as U.S. monetary easing increases the appeal of the precious metal. Oil prices rose on Friday, but posted a weekly decline as investors weighed the potential for increased global supply against renewed stimulus efforts from China, the world's top crude importer. Today's key economic events include Germany's retail sales and consumer price index data, UK GDP figures, along with speeches by U.S. Fed Chair Jerome Powell and Japan's manufacturing index release later in the day. That's your Financial Market Digest. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the latest market insights.